Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. And today's video is my Secret Santa gift. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and let's just see what's in this goodie box I have here. I'm so excited. Here's what it is. Yay! And it says open ASAP. So, from Secret Santa. So what this is about, and then it has it on that side as well, and this side. I'm so excited for this Secret Santa. I've already shipped mine off, and mine went to the Fiber Floozy, so I will leave her link below. Hey, Jill. So glad that you liked what was in your Secret Santa box. Hers came in 2 shipments, so I think I kind of threw her off a little bit. But I couldn't tell her because I didn't want her to know that it was coming from me. So, but she did it really well. She opened one in one video, and then she did another video, and then she just combined the 2. So I thought that was pretty genius to do that, Jill. So, and I'm so glad you liked it. Well, I have received my Secret Santa box, and what this is all about is that J Hook Crochet, she sent out an email and inviting a few people, a few podcasters to do this Secret Santa for charity, and everyone did a video showing off their, charity of choice. Well, my charity of choice was Convoy of Hope, and I will leave the link below if you want to go check out my charity. And my charity is where, like, when you give to it, they go and help out mostly in disastrous, gosh, I don't know if I can say disastrous areas. There we go. Okay, so they go and they help out, like when there's been hurricanes and tornadoes and floods and, different type of things. But then they also help out in the local communities as well. But, and I just wanted to share that. I didn't think I was ever going to get that word out right. Anyway, so now is my time to get to see what is in my box, my Secret Santa box. So grab your cup of coffee or tea, because I know a lot of you drink tea as well. Oh yeah, and then I'm drinking out of my Blessed cup from Lori. Thank you, Lori. All right, let's see what we have here. Okay, so I guess, we're always going to start with the card. Let me get my coffee out of the way because I don't want to knock over my coffee. Okay. I've opened the card so that I wouldn't have to do that on air here. Ooh, this is beautiful. It's all glittery. Look at that. Probably going to be drinking some glitter in my coffee here in a minute. Okay, so mine is from Tammy from Twisted Stitches. All right, thank you, Tammy. She has a YouTube channel, so I will leave her link to her YouTube channel below called Twisted Stitches. It's almost a tongue twister. Okay, so thank you for that. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so we got some green paper. Oh, this is fun. Ooh, this is exciting. Get here, Shine Bright, a little notebook, and it's a hardback book. I like this, so I'll be able to write patterns and all that good stuff down. Notes for my YouTube channel whenever I have to write different notes, so I like that. Ooh, looky here. Some socks, looky. Yay! And they got donuts on them. I love donuts. I am a donut person. Okay, I see, some Premier Just Yarn Chunky. I don't have any of this yarn, so thank you for this. I needed that in my collection. Ooh, and here's another one. I like it. Yeah, now what can I make with that? I'm gonna make something with that. I really like this green. I was looking at it. It's different than my other greens that I have. I like that. Okay, let's see what's in this. I'm gonna go for the box. Ooh, stickers. Look at that. Yay! This is so cute. I'm going for the wrap thing here. Oh, it's a mug that I can drink out of for the holiday here. Oh, and I like the size of it. This is so cute. I like this. I love that tall skinniness. And talking about the Cool Whip, I just discovered over this past weekend that Cool Whip is really, really good in hot chocolate. And then my husband takes it a little farther. He puts creamer in it. And then I started putting the whipped cream. So, thank you for this. I love that. All right, let's see what else we have in here. Oh, candy. These are actually my favorite candies. So, yes. My husband will probably take the Snickers if I don't get it first, because he loves Snickers. Oh, how pretty. Yeah, this is pretty. Trying to see how you close it. How do you close it? There you go. Isn't that pretty? This is a fun, oh, some more of the green. Yeah, look at that. More of the green. Ooh, a pretty stitch marker. This has got a stitch marker on it. Let's see, hold on. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. And look at this beautiful yarn. Look at this. This is Hirschner's Pastry Plus. I've never bought any Hirschner's Pastry Plus. I've always wondered what it was like. Yes, I love this. This is called Umami. U-M-A-M-I. 100% acrylic, 3 light. 743 yards in here. Yes, that's a lot to do a lot with. Thank you for this. So both of these are yarns that I have been wanting to try. And okay, yes, I love this. Now I do have Caron Cotton Cake, and I love Caron Cotton Cake. And I love this. This will go with so many of the, let's see, well, I don't really have that many as I did. I've worked quite a few of them. Trying to find, where are my Caron cakes? I think I might have put them back here. I'm trying to look. Yeah, I think I put them, and they're behind my tree here. But I did buy a few of these in other colors, and I didn't get that many solids. I mean, that many of this, so this will go with them. Thank you for this. Thank you, thank you. This is a medium full weight cream, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, and 530 yards. It's a Caron Cotton Cake. All right. Well, it's not going to stay up there. I'm going to have to set it there. More candy. Make sure I got all the candy in the box. Yay! And, I mean, I absolutely love these. I like taking these to church and eating them during church. Werther's Original. Yes, I love Werther's. And we got like a little stocking. Isn't this cute? Okay. That was fun. Thank you so much, Tammy. This was really cool. I will leave her link below. And matter of fact, I believe there's maybe a playlist of all the charities that everyone like is dear to their heart that was in this. And so I'll leave that link below. And I'll leave Tammy's link, J Hook Crochet's link, and there may be a link to everyone that's opening up their Secret Santa gifts. This was so much fun. I felt so blessed to be invited and honored to be able to do this, because I feel like this is a very special thing to do, to talk about your charity, because I found a lot of charities that people that have done this that I wasn't really aware of. And so I hope that my charity was a new charity for you as well, and that you know, that you like that. I don't know how else to say that. Okay, that's all that I have for this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.